Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic Anniversary. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic Anniversary with 27,147 miles runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, a Vance & Hines exhaust, grips, highway pegs, smoked front turn signals, a windshield, a chrome rear bumper, chrome radio and speaker trim, and windshield pouches. This bike is numbered 932 of 1,450 produced. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, it puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 6-gallon fuel tank and a fuel range of about 180 to 220 miles. It has a 27.1-inch seat height and a 1,191-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and both rear tires are at 630 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's material peeling on the passenger seat. This trike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, 1 key, and 1 fob. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. This trike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.